to the Permanent Secretary for Industry, Trade and Tourism, the Acting Chief Executive Officer for the National Centre for Small and Medium Enterprises, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning to you all. It's indeed a great pleasure for me to be here today at the launch of the Promotion and Sales Centre, an important facility that will provide small and medium enterprises an opportunity to market and promote their products. The centre, ladies and gentlemen, will provide for small and medium-sized businesses to get the best exposure, have a better understanding of how the market works, and most importantly, assist them to link up with potential buyers. It is an avenue through which the Fijian government reaffirms its commitment to the growth of micro, small and medium enterprises. Ladies and gentlemen, in Fiji, the micro and small medium enterprises contribute approximately 12% towards the Fijian GDP, or roughly $800 million. The development of grassroots communities has been the core of the Bainimarama government policies. Government wants to build a strong and resilient economy that is able to sustain external shocks and continue to grow. And most importantly, it's about enabling our grassroots to have a sustainable livelihood and better standard of living. Our vision is that the small businesses should not remain small, but grow. Companies such as Punjas Tapus, FMF Foods, RC Monobai, Vinod Patel, they've all made this transition through their foresight, dedication, and a lot of hard work. And I'm confident that many others have the same passion and commitment. All they need is guidance, mentoring, links to market, and the right pricing for their products. The Fiji First government has persisted despite criticism and provided micro and small and medium enterprises support, advice, and assistance through many initiatives, such as the Grant Equity Assistance Program under the Northern Development Program. And today, a total of 1,846 enterprises have been assisted with grants totaling a sum of $6.4 million. 3,073 businesses have undergone training, and 80% of the businesses under this program have been able to not only sustain themselves, but also to grow. In the coming months, ladies and gentlemen, the government will channel over $1 million to assist micro and small businesses. This specific initiative is yet again targeted at the grassroots community and individuals with special skill sets, such as handicrafts, carpentry, and small-scale farmers. The grant facility will provide the startup capital or targeted assistance to existing small and micro enterprises of up to about $1,000 each. Additionally, my ministry last year ventured into a new mentoring program and assisted at least 60 micro, small and medium enterprises and cooperatives. These businesses are being monitored and are provided with technical support from the National Centre for Small and Medium Enterprises and the ministry. This year, the program will continue into its second phase, and we will be targeting and assisting new businesses. We are looking forward to partnering with the large corporations in Fiji to become mentors for our micro, small and medium entrepreneurs who could become part of their value chain by providing their upstream or downstream services. A very good example, ladies and gentlemen, is FMF Foods Limited, working with Nandarivatu potato farmers to supply raw material for its potato chips products, which is of international quality. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to just stop at these initiatives. The Fijian Trade Policy Framework, being the overall policy for trade and related activities, identifies the development of the micro and small medium enterprises as vital to the Fijian industrialization process. In this regard, the framework recommends a holistic review of the micro, small and medium enterprises policy framework. Access to marketing information remains a constraint to micro, small and medium enterprises development and competitiveness in Fiji. Today's marketplace, ladies and gentlemen, is highly competitive with speed and change integral to general policy. And today's customers expect more features and new updates of existing products on a regular basis. Hence, an interactive website will be introduced soon that will form a vital part of this promotion and sales center to further boost the micro and small and medium enterprises connectivity to the local market and all over the world. Market knowledge also helps micro and small enterprises develop a competitive edge and advantage. Through increased customer knowledge and demand, enterprises can take a strong position in the market. The Promotion and Sales Center, ladies and gentlemen, will address some of these gaps, and the facility will complement the Fijian government's other micro, small and medium enterprises development support programs and initiatives. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to officially open the SME Promotions and Sales Center. Thank you.